How to buy USDT on Trust Wallet app. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vipin Bisnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can buy USDT on Trust Wallet application. Well, the process itself is actually pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through. In order to buy USDT on Trust Wallet, you can simply open up the Trust Wallet first and log into your wallet. Once you're logged in, what you want to do is at the home tab, you'll be able to see the option that says send, receive, buy, sell, and history. Since you want to buy, you want to simply tap on buy, and from the search bar you can type in USDT and looking for USDT. It will pop up right there and you can select it once you get it, and then you can select the amount that you wish to spend. Make sure to choose the payment method. Down below you can see pay with credit card it shows, so you want to add in your payment credit card or any other payment method and then tap on buy with credit card and you'll be able to buy it. So this is how you can easily buy USDT on Trust Wallet. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.